Namaskara, Saira. Myself, Bharti Bharataraja. I live in Whitefield, Bangalore. I met Dr. Pooja Prashant 2 years ago for my various health issues, and I had a migraine. I had more of health issues on my body ache, my headache, and then I had full of body pain. All that was too much for me to handle, and I also had to go a lot of hospitals. I also went to many doors of the astrologers. So there was there was no solutions which I could go through. And then one day there was a message came to me in my apartment itself, that there is some so and so person who deals with all of this entire process about healing and all. So I could meet her one day, Dr. Pooja Prashant. And then I explained her entire my journey, what was going through, what is happening to me, all of that. Then I started something called a very which was unknown to me, which is something called Reiki. Then I got introduced to this kind of entire process. I took a first attunement. After the first attunement, I was so graceful that I was started feeling that 40 to 50% of my problems started decreasing, day by day. And then when I started my healings, I felt that something good is happening to me. Then I took the second attunement, third attunement, but there was some issue with my own mentality, my own thoughts, my own past journey. Then she suggested me to go for hypnotherapy. So in that hypnosis, where I could release a lot of issues she could handle, I could come out of many issues which was not, which was again a kind of a baggage in my life which I was carrying. So after that, I got kind of a refreshed, kind of a new transformed lady. Then later I did a fifth attunement, fourth attunement, fifth attunement, and then today I am proudly saying that I am a Reiki Grandmaster. And then I am kind of a Reiki Grandmaster, a Reiki healer. I can heal anybody today. In fact, I did 2 to 3 healings to one of my relative. Also to my own guru, a greatest feeling which I could say that few days ago. And then today, as a feeling of this grandmaster is something which is different than the other normal being. I should say that the energy level which I carry, the thought process I carry, the way I talk to people, which is being molded, and all of these suggestions, tools, kind of how do we talk to people also, that kind of suggestions are given by my guru. I could proudly say that today her suggestions, her tools, her way of handling, which has helped me a lot in my daily to day life, which I used to talk in with my office, my colleagues, my family, the way I used to treat my own, my husband. All of that has been changed. That is how she has taught me. So I feel so proud that this is a transformed Bharti Bharataraja, I should say that. And then the number of crystals she had introduced to my life, each one has a unique feature and they really work well in our lives. So that is a great experience I am going through daily, which I use many crystals which I got introduced from her, and I use daily all of their benefits, the features. They are all working wonderfully to me, I should say. And I'm so happy to be associated with the name called Heaven of Miracles. It is by Dr. Pooja Prashant. And always whenever you go to her, you have always a good solutions. It is something like we always say in a corporate world that there is a full stop for everything. So I found that full stop or an answer for all the questions, for all your situations, for all of your problems with her. So from all the world, I feel so blessed to be with her, to be associated with her. And thank you so much, my dear Guru. I'm so blessed to be associated with you, and my life journey is going so graceful, so good, just because of you, just because of your all tools, just because of the technology which you've been showcased to us. So thank you, Dr. Pooja ma'am. Thank you so much, Prashant sir. Thank you so much, my dear Anusha. Thank you so much, all the healers, all the Heaven of Miracles group. Thank you so much. I'm so blessed to be all of with you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.